What do you get when you combine panoramic bay views, world-class amenities, 2,000 square feet at 40 floors above the street level? Well, welcome to 40D at Millennium Tower. What makes Millennium Tower so prestigious is its lifestyle. It has world-class amenities, such as a full-size indoor saltwater swimming pool, a steam room, a private restaurant, and community events every week, turning your neighbors into friends. When you first walk into the unit, the first thing you'll notice is this beautiful vintage chandelier. But then, as you round the corner, boom, this hits you. Now this is a true great room. It's big enough to entertain 12 of your best friends. You can play games, and in the evening, you can have an exquisite, very stylish dinner party while you're overlooking some of these iconic views of San Francisco. Now check out this room. I don't care what you call it. It can be a den, an office, a library, or even a bonus guest room. Because check it out. It's got a beautiful desk right in front of the gorgeous views. It's got your bookshelves, and if one of your friends ends up staying way too late, you can always pull out the sofa bed, close the doors, and they can spend the night in comfort. And if you have some friends that aren't spontaneously spending the night, maybe they're here for a weekend, for a Fleet Week or something, they're really gonna enjoy this beautiful guest room with its own ensuite bathroom, and again, gorgeous views. If you love to cook, you are gonna really appreciate this true chef's kitchen. You can start off the morning in this coffee bar with, again, great views overlooking the Bay Bridge. Then in the evening, you've got one of two wine fridges right here in this massive island that has, of course, a marble countertop. You got your gas range, you have this huge Sub-Zero fridge. It's incredible. Now on your way to the master suite, you're gonna cross this beautifully designed guest bathroom, but my favorite part is this beautiful Sub-Zero dual zone wine fridge. As you walk into the master suite, you'll pass the his and hers closet, which then opens up to this beautiful master bedroom. With views, you gotta see to believe. And last but not least, in the master suite is this beautiful master bathroom with a deep soaking tub and a beautiful glass surround waterfall shower. Unit 40D at Millennium Tower isn't just another condo, it's a power move for those who want to live like a king or queen in the sky. So if you want keys to this castle, let's make it happen.